Hi dear, welcome to Skill Up channel. In this brief tutorial I'm going to show you how to recover a forgotten Gmail password. We have different methods to do that, but I will teach you two methods in this tutorial. First method is about existing account in your phone, and the second one is about not existing account in your phone. We start with first method, which is existing account in our phone. So to do that, open your Gmail on your phone. As you can see, my Gmail account is exist in my phone. But I forgot the password, so we will recover the password by changing the password. So to do that, click on your profile picture here. Then click on Manage your Google account. Then click on Security here. Then hit on Signing in to Google. In this page, hit on Forgot Password here. Then click on Try another way. Type your new password here, choose a strong password and write it down in a notebook. And then repeat it here too. Finally, press on Change Password. As you see the message, which password changed successfully. We're done with first method. Let's jump to second method, which is not existing Gmail account in your phone. In this method, make sure, when you created your Gmail account, you had given your phone number to Google, because they will send a code in your phone number to recover your account password. To do that, go to Gmail again. Press on profile picture here. Then click on Add another account here. Click on Google. Enter your account here. Then press Next. Here click on Forgot Password. Click on Try another way. Choose text or call to get verification code in your phone. I prefer text, so click on it. Type your 6-digit code here. And then press Next. Okay, create a new strong password here and don't forget to write it down to remember it. Repeat the new password here. Finally, press Save Changes. Then click on I agree. As you can see, we changed our password successfully. Thanks for watching. If you like this type of videos, so please subscribe Skill Up channel and give a thumbs up to this video and share this video with your friends. If you had any question, feel free, please leave your comment in description in below. Thank you. See you in the next video. Peace.